Saving money on alcohol and tobacco can be a smart financial move, not to mention a healthy one. By making small changes to your habits and being mindful of your purchases, you can easily keep more money in your pocket without sacrificing enjoyment. Let's explore some practical tips on how to save money on alcohol and tobacco. When it comes to alcohol, one of the best ways to save money is to cut back on drinking altogether. However, if you still wish to indulge occasionally, there are a few strategies you can adopt. The first is to set a budget and stick to it. Decide on a fixed amount you are willing to spend on alcohol each month and plan your purchases accordingly. This will help you avoid impulse buying and overspending. Another way to save money on alcohol is to take advantage of discounts and special offers. Many liquor stores run promotions, so keep an eye out for deals and sales. Buying in bulk can also be a money-saving strategy, especially if there are certain brands or types of alcohol that you regularly enjoy. However, always make sure you consume alcohol responsibly and within your limits. Instead of going out to bars or restaurants, consider hosting social gatherings at home. By doing so, you can control the amount and variety of alcohol you serve, avoiding high markups and expensive cocktails. You could even organize a potluck-style gathering where everyone brings their favorite drinks, making it a fun and affordable way to socialize. Furthermore, exploring cheaper alternatives can help you save money on alcohol. Opt for house brands or generic options instead of premium or branded alcoholic beverages. Many generic versions provide similar taste and quality at a fraction of the price. Additionally, consider trying less expensive types of alcohol. For example, instead of purchasing expensive wines, explore affordable options like boxed wine, or look for sales on lesser-known brands. When it comes to tobacco, quitting altogether is undoubtedly the best way to save money and improve your health. However, quitting smoking is often a challenging process. If you're not ready to quit, consider reducing your tobacco consumption. Smoking fewer cigarettes or switching to a lower-cost alternative like rolling your own cigarettes can help cut down on expenses. Another effective strategy to save money on tobacco is to comparison shop. Prices for tobacco products can vary widely from one store to another, so take some time to research and find the most affordable options. You may discover that certain stores or online retailers offer better prices or discounts. Additionally, some areas have tobacco outlets or duty-free shops where prices can be lower than at regular retailers. You could also consider exploring alternatives to traditional tobacco products. Nicotine gum, patches, or lozenges can help satisfy cravings without the high cost of cigarettes. While these may not be as enjoyable as smoking, they can be a temporary solution to help cut down costs until you are ready to quit completely. Finally, focusing on your health and well-being can lead to long-term savings on both alcohol and tobacco. By investing in activities and habits that promote wellness, such as exercising regularly and eating a balanced diet, you may find that you have less desire for alcohol and tobacco. This can not only benefit your financial situation, but also your overall quality of life. In conclusion, saving money on alcohol and tobacco is not only possible, but also beneficial for your financial health. By setting a budget, taking advantage of discounts, exploring cheaper alternatives, and being mindful of your consumption, you can cut down on expenses without compromising enjoyment. Similarly, comparing prices, considering alternatives, and focusing on your well-being can help you save money on tobacco. Ultimately, making conscious choices and prioritizing your financial and physical well-being can lead to a healthier and wealthier future.